In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add VBA code in PowerPoint. Whether you're looking to automate tasks, create dynamic presentations, or just want to add some extra functionality, VBA or Visual Basic for applications is a powerful tool to help you achieve those goals. So let's get started and unlock the potential of your presentations with VBA. First things first, you'll need to open PowerPoint on your computer. PowerPoint is the platform where you'll be integrating and running your VBA code, so accessing it is the initial step to entering the world of automation and enhancements. After launching PowerPoint, you'll want to head over to the specific presentation where you'd like to add the VBA code. This is essential, as VBA code is typically tailored to the particular slides or functions within a given presentation. Now within your open presentation, you need to focus on the toolbar across the top of your screen. Look for the Developer tab. If you can't see it up front, you'll need to enable it. This tab is crucial because it contains the tools and options necessary for coding and advanced functionalities. You can enable it by going to File, then Options, and selecting Customize ribbon. In the list on the right side, you'll find and check the Developer option. Doing this grants you immediate access to VBA functionalities. With the Developer tab visible, go ahead and click on it to bring up the variety of options under this section. The next step involves clicking on the Visual Basic option. This is where the magic happens. Visual Basic is essentially the integrated development environment, or IDE for VBA, where you'll be writing your code. By clicking Visual Basic, a new window opens, providing you the canvas to start coding. In this Visual Basic for Applications window, you have several choices, but here you'll want to locate the section where you can add a program. This is typically represented by a Modules option on the left sidebar. By double-clicking a module or inserting a new one via the Insert menu, you open up a fresh editor window. Now all that's left is entering or pasting your VBA code into this space. Ensure you type the code accurately or paste it from a verified source. Once your code is in, save your work by clicking the floppy disk icon or by simply pressing Ctrl+S. And there you have it. Your first VBA code is now integrated into your PowerPoint presentation. This ability to add VBA enhances interactivity and could streamline many tasks, from creating automated slide changes to complex data processing within your slides. Don't forget to save your PowerPoint project regularly as you explore and experiment with more VBA coding. I hope this tutorial has been helpful and you're now more confident to integrate VBA into your presentations. Thanks for joining us today and happy coding.